Mach 454, Class 4, Prospecting. Importance of prospecting. Finding people to sell. Selling is finding people to sell and selling the people you find. Hopkins, page 245. And here are some ratios that will help you manage your business, your selling business. Prospecting calls versus hours spent. Prospecting calls versus appointments made. Appointments made versus sales. Hours worked divided by money earned, and prospecting calls made last month, income this month. Characteristics of a good prospect. Does a want or need exist? Does the lead principal role, influencer, this may be different from the decision maker. Does the lead have the ability to pay? Does the lead have the authority to buy? Is the lead eligible to buy? And there are some other criteria. Information needed about a prospect. Demographics, competitors, historical buying patterns, current buying situation, relationship styles, evaluation of product and service, personal information and attitudes. Information needed about a prospect. According to Top Hopkins, there are 7 fundamentals. Prospecting, original contact. 3, qualification. 4, presentation, demonstration. 5, handling objections. 6, closing. 7, getting referrals. Information needed about a prospect's organization. Demographics. Type of organization, size, number of locations, product services offered. Financial position and future culture of the organization. Information needed about a prospect's organization. The prospect's competitors, types, benefits they seek from prospect's products, services. Who are they? How do they differ in terms in their business approaches? Prospects' strategic position in their industry: dominant, strong, weak, tenable. Historical buying patterns: amount purchased in the product category, sole supplier or multiple suppliers. Why? Reasons for buying from present suppliers. Level of satisfaction with suppliers. Reasons for any dissatisfactions with suppliers of products currently purchased. Current buying situation. Type of buying process: new task, straight rebuy, or modified rebuy. Strengths and weaknesses of potential competitors. Relationships styles and evaluation of product service. Formal reporting relationships, important reference groups, and group norms, social styles of prospects. Decision-making styles, entrepreneurial, planning, bureaucratic. Product attributes that are important. Product evaluation process. Personal information and attitudes. Name including pronunciation, family status, education, aspirations, interests and disinterests. AIOs, psychographics. In Back the Elephant, page 29, segmentation. Attitude toward salespeople, your company and your product. Do you have overcome reluctance, or how do you overcome reluctance to prospect? Identify barriers to prospecting: nerves, fear of rejection. Listen to excuses from other salespeople as to why they don't prospect. Engage in sales training, role-playing activity. Ask your manager to accompany you. Set goals for your activity. Calculate the economic value of prospecting. Stop negative self-evaluations from ruling your behavior. Think positively. You are calling on prospects to help them, not force them to buy something they don't want. Apply relaxation techniques before and during prospecting. Recount your successes. How and where to obtain leads. Satisfied customers, current and previous customers are contacted for additional business and leads. Endless change method. Salesperson attempts to secure at least one additional lead from each person he or she interviews. Center of influence method. Salesperson cultivates well-known influential people in territory who will supply information. Networking, use of personal relationships with connections, contacts to generate leads. The internet, websites, email, listener, bulletin boards, forums, roundtables, and newsgroups. Ads, direct mail, catalogs, and publicity. These are used to generate leads that are then followed up. This is very important material for the midterm. How and where to obtain leads. Continuation. Shows. Used for lead generation, seminars, opportunities to network, CME activities in pharma industry, lists of directories, secondary sources which are either free or free-based, data mining and CRM systems. Company data is analyzed and then used to generate leads. Cold calling, calling on unfamiliar organization, spotters, paid individual for lead information. Telemarketing, use of phone or telemarketing staff to generate leads. Sales letters, salesperson writes personal letters. Other sources of leads, friends, family, etc. Lead qualification and management systems. Lead qualification and management systems. Grading prospects, qualifying buyers in Holland, grading opportunities, page 82, inactive, active, goal shared, champion, and evaluating. Creating a priority list or a hit list. How would you develop a prospect list for the following situations? Recruiting new members to be brand ambassadors. A new computer software program which allows the user to fill out any standard business form online. You are a stockbroker and need to develop a system for qualifying prospects based on set criteria. What criteria would you use and how would you prospect? How would you develop a prospect list for a new breed of egg-laying hens? A travel agency specializing in Caribbean vacations. A manufacturer of an anti-theft alarm device for mobile devices.